That's more important right now.
Is that the same
We
video?
can have a fire every night. We can't always watch a cicada hatch from its exoskeleton. We'll probably never see this again in our lives.
Never.
Never. This is like a once-in-a-lifetime kind of thing to happen. He's so cute.
I don't know about cute, but it's weird how he had like those little pinchy things.
Yeah.
And now he doesn't.
I wonder if he's having trouble because it's not attached to the stick anymore.
Well, I could just grab onto the arm. No, because that's going to push it around.
I'm just going to give it something to brace against.
Yeah. It's a good idea.
Is he getting out?
Yeah, he's almost there.
Froggy.
Just leave it alone.
Keep the stick there.
Mm-hmm.
What should we name him, guys?
Alfred.
Alfred?
Frog.
Hitchcock.
Alfred Hitchcock.
Froggy.
No,
Alfrog.
Hitchcock.
Alfrog
He's
Hitchcock.
gonna fly away like Hitchcock did in that movie.
Froggy.
Froggy Hitchcock.
No.
Alfred Froggy.
No.
Froggy Alfred.
Hmm.
Alfrog.
Froggy.
You're very whiny.
It's
Extreme close-up.
Yeah, it's really irritating.
I guess
He must
gonna
be
have
tired.
to restart the trying not to whine tomorrow for the kitties.
Yep, because he blew it for tomorrow.
Wait, he blew for tomorrow?
He blew it for going tomorrow.
Yeah. Ooh, is it raining?
No,
Are you sure? Because the raindrop just dropped right there.
it's my hair. I was in the pool.
Oh, okay. Alfred's having a rough time.
Come on, Alfred.
No, it's Figaro.
He's not a kitty cat.
Come on, Figaro.
It's Figaro.
No, it's
Figaro
Alfred.
food.
No, you can't
How
change
about
your mind.
Alfrigaro? Alfrigaro.
Al
No, I
Figaro.
want it to be Figgy.
Okay, you can call him Figgy.
But his name is Alfred.
No.
Yes?
No.
Yes.
His name's Froggy.
People who whine don't get to name
His
bugs.
name is Hurry Up and Wait.
What the heck?
I can't take it back. It might be raining.
Mom, you're gonna make it light on fire more. Mom, stop.
Aw.
You're gonna make the fire bigger.
I want it to be bigger.
Bean!
Look, the dogs are in the greenhouse.
Get out of there.
I can tell which one's safe.
Yeah?
Yeah, me too.
See? That one.
Oh, it's going
The
against
one with the ears up instead of down.
Look at its wings.
They're all wrinkly. Its little grabby spikes are black.
We might want to shine the light at the dogs and see what they're eating.
Hey, what are you eating? What are you eating? Let me see. Open. Oh, it's grass. Good grass.
It's just very close to the chocolate and marshmallows.
Which one's it here? Is that a froggy?
Oops. Wait. What are you
It
doing?
was I was just hooking it back around the leg.
Okay.
Auntie, why isn't it going out?
Because it takes time.
Leave it alone, Allie. It needs to do
No, I know. I'm just trying to get the little thing up so that it can hold on to something.
Its wings were twitching a couple seconds ago.
You say there was poop over here somewhere?
Yeah, he put his hand in
Right
it.
there.
Dude,
Oh, look, a beetle.
beetle. You know that's a beetle too.
You know what else is a beetle? John Lennon.
It has wings. Where'd it go?
I don't know. Did you hit it?
Up my sleeve.
Did you hit it?
Um,
Probably went behind you then.
Bundy, 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 bundy.
My hands are getting really shaky.
Is that the warning it's about to go off?
Mm-hmm.
Can you delete